Hello again everybody, welcome to Breakaway C Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck SB Game Used. Box break number 5. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is any 206 026 249. That's any 206 026 249. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Got an ink sweaters for the Rangers at Mark Stahl, 71 out of 99. Got a Murky Fabrics of Tyler Toffoli for the Kings, 52 out of 73. Got an Authentic Fabrics duel of Antti Niemi and Jonathan Quick, randomized at the end between the Sharks and the Kings. Got a Team Canada Fabrics jersey of Dougie Hamilton. The card goes to Boston. And we got an Authentic Rookie of Matt Nieto for the Sharks, 19 out of 83. Short print his jersey number. And got Authentic Fabrics of Pekka Rinne for the Predators. And there we go. So I just got the one random to do. Give me 1 second. So between San Jose and Los Angeles, randomize it 3 times. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to San Jose. Congrats to San Jose. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.